one, for hyperbola, x squared divided by a squared minus y squared divided by b squared equals 1. Passing through a point 6, 4, the asymptotes are perpendicular to each other. We're going to find the value of a squared plus b squared. So basically, let's look at the asymptotes. Our asymptotes for this form here are going to be y equals b divided by ax. You just look under that, and also y equals negative b divided by ax. Now basically it says that our asymptotes are perpendicular to each other. That means our b divided by a times these, and we're looking at our slopes here, negative b divided by a are the negative reciprocals. So when you multiply these two, you get negative b squared divided by a squared equals negative 1. Since they're both negative, we can make them positive. So basically, when you cross multiply, you get b squared equals a squared. All right. Since the equation of this hyperbola, which is x squared divided by a squared minus y squared divided by b squared equals 1, passes through the point 6, 4, I can substitute that into our equation, and let's see what we're going to get. We're going to get, substituting everything in, 6 squared divided by a squared minus 4 squared. Now again, our b squared equals a squared, so I'm just going to put a squared here. All right, this equals 1. Since this is the same denominator, we're going to have 36 minus 20 divided by a squared equals 1. Now, 16. I was thinking ahead. All right, so basically that gives you 20 divided by a squared equals 1. Or we can say a squared equals 20. Since a squared equals b squared, that means b squared also equals 20. Therefore, a squared plus b squared equals 20 plus 20, which equals 40. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.